Hello everyone, welcome to Commodities Podcast. This is Rakesh Khanna from Sharekhan BNP Paribas. Today we have an update on gold. COMEX gold price had given an upward trendline breakout along with key support at $2,184 level on downside, tested the first key resistance base at $2,223 level, accompanied by witnessing clear positive signal through MACD, waiting to motivate the price to resume upward till $2,253 and $2,265 level in upcoming trading session efficiently. MCX gold price was moving in sideways consolidation range along with trendline breakout resume with positive trading to breach 67,700 barrier, which support the continuation of the bullish trend for an upward target of 68,400 and 69,000 level in near term. On the downside, key support hold at 67,000 level and break below will reactivate the bearish trend scenario. The price indicator is bullish. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.